Hi guys, thank you for clicking to watch this video. For those of you who don't know as yet, my name is Mel and I do upload videos on fashion mostly. I say that to say there is going to be a haul coming up and I wanted to support a few Black-owned brands over the month of February, so I hope you're okay with me uploading a haul that I did from Sephora. It's just beauty related, and then I would like to do a review on one of the foundations, but we'll shuffle that to the side and talk about what we're doing today. Recently I had a subscriber reach out to me and said, Mel, why am I subscribed to you? I don't remember you. I don't know how long it's been. It was something to that kind of format that she had said, and I was like, it's true. I do come back to YouTube when I'm bored, and I'm one of those people, but this time I don't know if anything's gonna be different. I'm not gonna sit here and say like, oh, like I'll be here forever. I do work. I'm a career woman. I'm a mother, and I am, you know, a wife, and so a lot of the times when I come back to YouTube, it's because there's some sort of a lull in my life. So the lull that's in my life right now is that I'm on mat leave and I'm enjoying it, and I thought it was going to be something completely different than it is right now. And what it is right now is a lot of me sitting around at home, and so I was driving myself crazy, and the world actually in its entirety right now is kind of driving me crazy. So I'm trying to stay off social media as far as, you know, scrolling goes, and just seeing things that are just questioning humanity as a whole. It's hard to watch a lot of it, so I've just kind of decided to put myself into this state of mind where I want to focus on doing something that makes me happy. And so fashion has been making me happy, and I know that sounds kind of frivolous, but when I say making me happy, be able to just go to my closet and just pair different things together and say, oh yeah, that's cute, or oh yeah, that's not, or, you know, oh, I never thought of this. Just stuff like that keeps my mind off of just all of the stuff that's going on. And I think we all need to take a break sometimes from all of this stuff that's going on, especially over the last couple of years. I guess more so. It's just been very heavy. So I am on YouTube filming fashion videos because that is what I've been enjoying. Previous to this, I was doing quite a bit of beauty, skincare related videos and reviews on beauty and skincare videos. So you probably subscribed to my channel because of something like that. And I think it was 7 years ago that it said, oh my gosh, I don't even know. It was a long time ago. And ever since then, I've been doing, I've been working in my profession, working in my field, because I graduated from university. And that's just what I've been focusing on my relationship now, you know, taking all those progressive steps as an adult. And, you know, first we were, you know, planning our wedding, and then we were buying a house, and then and it was just gradually, just things were happening in my life all the while I was working that had a lot of my focus. So I didn't have a lot of time to give to YouTube. I could have posted a video here and there, but I just thought if I wasn't fully into it, I wouldn't do it. So this time I'm really enjoying it, and I'm trying to get a little bit more kind of used to the camera and that kind of thing. So I don't want to make this dragged out and long and all of that stuff, but I just wanted to kind of give you guys a reminder of who I am and why you might be subscribed to me. And like I said, there will be some beauty stuff on here, but that's not really where my heart is at right now. So if you still want to see beauty videos from me, obviously you're welcome to watch. And if you like these fashion videos, let me know. I hope you stick around, but yeah, so that's kind of my quest and my response to the subscriber that asked me kind of who am I to her, and why am I in her subscriber box or whatever it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into this video. I have a few things that I'm just gonna pair together, see what I think of them, see how you guys like them, and that's it. So if you like these types of videos, obviously comment down below and let me know. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video and for sticking with me over those years if you are one of those few people that did. Yeah, so enjoy. So this first outfit is this white button-up shirt that I got from Abercrombie & Fitch about a year or two ago. And then this leatherette or faux leather bralette that I got from, it doesn't matter, everywhere sells these faux leather kind of bralettes. And then I paired it with these Ridley jeans, which are a medium wash denim, and they've got some distressing on the hem and also on the knee. And these shoes that are from ASOS, and they're just a white canvas sneaker. So this is the jacket that I would be wearing with this outfit. It's got some ochre color in it and black and a little bit of cream. So I think it goes really well with this outfit. So this next outfit is this cream cami and these mid-wash denim forum jeans from Aritzia. This cami is also from ASOS, and these shoes are from Zara. They're just some pointed stiletto shoes. This cami is quite feminine. It's got a thicker band, so it covers up nicely at the top, and not too much cleavage, not too much hanging out, so it's really classy. And also it has, like I said, the thicker band and the material underneath that covers the bust area, so it's not see-through. I would then pair this outfit with this terracotta jacket that I got from Mango a while back when I was in Barcelona. People always ask me actually when I wear it out where I got it, and so it just comes naturally. I'm like, oh, I got it from Mango in Barcelona, so that they know, like, don't even look, because we're in Canada and we don't have that brand of store here. We don't have a Mango here. So I guess you could get it online. Anyways, I doubt it would still be there because it was a few years ago that I got it. You'll see a lot of different variations of this look for me because I love this jacket with denim and cream. Or white. I just think that the three colors just really mesh well together, and I think it really flatters my skin tone. So this next outfit is this black shoulder pad shirt, and I paired it with these Missguided Riot jeans, and they're a step waist, and they're a little bit baggier, the style of these jeans, and the color is a light denim. And also I paired it with these shoes that are from ASOS, and they are just canvas sneakers from ASOS. And I would pair it together with this jacket, this camel coat, or I guess blazer rather, not coat, from ASOS as well. And it's just an oversized camel colored coat, and it hits me just below the butt. So this is what this looks like as well. For this next outfit, I'm wearing a bodycon tank top from Zara, and it's in this chocolate brown color, and it's got these really thin straps, so it's really dainty. And then I've got it with these pants. I've got it with these pants from Missguided, and they're just the Vice high-waisted jeans from Missguided. I have these in a different style as well, and I do like the fit. If you're going for that sausage casing life, they do exactly what they need to do, which is just kind of hold everything up, and I like how high the waist is on these as well. I'm wearing these boots from Zara, and they're a zip front, very small heeled boot, quite structured on the toe, and it's more of a square or a rounded square toe. And I'll put back my big old hand knitted wool cardigan, and this is also from Missguided, and that's what this looks like. It's more of kind of like a peachier brown than this, which is more of a rich kind of earthy brown color. So I just paired them together. It's a little off, but for some reason I feel like it works because it's just a lot of neutrals happening, and that's what this looks like. I should actually say this about this shirt. It is quite thin, so you have to make sure that underneath, if you're just gonna go braless, which to be honest, it's the easiest way to wear shirts like this because they've got a lot of skin showing around the arm and the chest. And it's hard to find a bra that's gonna match the structure or the shape or the cut of this shirt. So I think going braless is probably the easiest way to wear this shirt, but it is see-through, so make sure, like I'm doing, you've got some tape or an insert of some kind that's gonna be a nipple cover if you care. So for this next outfit, I wanted to give a little bit of color. So I've chosen this linen shirt in this powder blue color, and these jeans are just the high-waisted or sky-high jeans from Levi's, and then I'm wearing these canvas sneakers again from ASOS. I find shoes like this very comfortable, so you'll often catch me in either my Converse, which are super dirty, that's why they're not in the mix to show you, but I also have these other Converse which are more of a high top, and I just find them to be very comfortable and everyday wear. So I'm a mom and I don't get out to do lots of fancy stuff, but I go to the grocery store and I go to the mall or wherever, or out with friends. But so I'm always trying to stay comfy, but also keep a little bit of style in there as well. So I love this color on my skin tone. I just think it's very favorable, and I do really enjoy the length of these pants. I did cut them off when I got them and made the hem raw, and now I just kind of flip them up a little bit, and it gives me a little bit of exposed ankle, which I'm cool with. Sometimes I wear it down, sometimes I don't. So that's this outfit and the base of it. And I don't know if I said where I got this shirt, but it was from Zara. And I would pair it with this jacket from Babaton. It's, it's from Aritzia, and it's by the brand Babaton. So it's this gray jacket, and it's just a trench style jacket. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope I was able to give you a couple ideas of outfits that would be, I don't know, I guess, wearable right now at this time of year with this weather, and also a little bit of color combinations that you enjoyed seeing. If you want to see more videos from me, please comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. Like I said, I think next week I'll be uploading a video possibly on a haul if everything gets in as soon as I'm filming or whenever I have time to film. But other than that, thank you guys again so much for joining me, and have a wonderful day, evening, hour, minute. Take care. Bye.